POV. You fall into Jupiter, Saturn, and Neptune. 3 countdowns, 3 giant worlds, 3 impossible landings. Can you survive even 30 seconds? Which planet would feel the most dangerous? Welcome to the POVERSE, where infinite possibilities become experiences. See it, feel it, live it. Subscribe to enter the POVERSE. Planet 1, Jupiter. Timer, 30 seconds. Surface, no solid surface, atmosphere, hydrogen, and helium. Location, 5th planet from the sun. Danger, storms, pressure, and heat. You appear above Jupiter. Orange clouds move beneath you like oceans. White bands twist around the planet. A storm larger than Earth spins below. Your suit prepares for landing. 30 seconds, you begin falling. The clouds rush toward you. But they do not become ground. They become thicker, deeper, darker. 20 seconds. Wind grabs your body. Your visor shakes. Your radio breaks into static. Your scanner searches below. Surface not found. Lightning flashes inside the clouds. 10 seconds. You stretch your boots downward, waiting to touch something, but Jupiter gives you nothing. 3 seconds. You are still falling. 0. Planet 2, Saturn. Timer, 30 seconds. Surface, no true surface. Atmosphere, hydrogen, and helium. Location, 6th planet from the sun. Danger, ring debris, clouds, and pressure. You wake near Saturn, a golden planet. A perfect ring system. A world that looks peaceful from far away. But you are too close now. 30 seconds. You enter the rings. They are not smooth. They are ice, rock, dust. Millions of fragments racing around the planet. 20 seconds. Saturn pulls you down. The rings fade above you. Golden clouds open below. Your suit prepares for landing again. Lightning flashes inside the clouds. 10 seconds. Your boots sink into nothing. The clouds become heavier. You are still falling. 3 seconds. You are still falling. 0. Planet 3, Neptune. Timer, 30 seconds. Surface, no solid surface. Location, 8th planet from the sun. Danger, extreme winds, cold, and darkness. Atmosphere, hydrogen, helium, and methane. You open your eyes near Neptune. Deep blue, silent, far from the sun. The light here is weak. The sun looks like a tiny white dot behind you. 30 seconds. Fall into the blue atmosphere. At first, nothing happens. Only blue. Endless blue. Then the wind hits. Your body twists sideways. 20 seconds. Dark clouds rush past like rivers. Ice forms across your visor. Below you, a storm begins to open. A dark shape. Slow, wide, rotating. 10 seconds. Searches again. Surface not found. Neptune feels like a place where even light struggles to stay. 3 seconds. The blue darkness closes around. 0. 3 planets. 3 attempts to land. Jupiter gave you storms. Saturn gave you beauty. Neptune gave you darkness. But none of them gave you ground. So tell me, if a planet has no surface, is it still a place you can visit? You didn't just watch a story. You lived a possibility. This is the POVERSE.